Came to find a heart that's breaking. Tears will fall, and I'll recall the moon and all its splendor. A love so very tender. I hope that you'll surrender to me. Oh, baby Marie.
Mm.
Marie, the dawn is breaking. Marie, you'll soon be waking to find a heart that's breaking. Just from you call. Oh, baby, I love you on the moon.
My boost is 432 volts. It's supposed to be 380.
Baby, that you surrender, baby. Get out.
This is almost negative 40 approximately. I got this different flyback on it. And here's what's happening now.
I'm confessing that I love you. Tell me that you love me true.
Uh-oh. Chicken stick.
Confessing that I love you, honest I do.
I can't draw a continuous.
In your eyes I see
Okay.
strange things, but your lips deny them true. I'm confessing that I love you, honest I do, honest I do. I'm
Okay, here's the thing.
you leave me, baby, can we still be friends?
Oh, I got that both wires hooked up on the verticals, the two end ones, the orange and the red. And I do have the center tap hooked up to that 8.2K resistor. I don't know what it reads though. It could read infinity. I don't have a clue. Current boost. Now here's what's happening. No, nothing. Now watch when I shut it off. Oops. Where the hell is it? Wrong way. It does that. So what does that say? I don't have enough high voltage on the picture tube. I'm not sure. It's on right now. I'll shut it off. Back on. Every time I monkey with it, I discover something different. Now my flyback, this is just a bumper off a car. It's my non-medic it's my bumper. Oops. Where can I put that? Okay, I got my, here's what I got going. Original stuff. I'm supposed to be hooked up to where the boost is. Then that one for the flyback. Obviously vertical. Where the hell's vertical? I don't know. Right here. think. But anyways, uh-oh. What happened there? Bad connection. So I'm looking at this thing. This is a flyback of a 258. And what I have my plate hooked up, my 38 HE7 hooked up there. I got this hooked up like that. And I got a 10K resistor from here to my picture tube, because this requires someplace. What the hell is it? Right here. 10K. So I got mine hooked up. I don't have it hooked up like this, my deflection coils. I hooked mine up to this one where the boost is. And then I hooked up to, I didn't hook up to B. I hooked up to 2 for my center tap. And I did not hook up to this one where the cathode is. I hooked up to this one because mine has its own 3 taps, so I thought I would do this. But my taps are way different ohms. These are way low. 2 ohms, 1 ohm, and wait a minute. 2 ohms, 1 ohm, and 8 ohm, I think. If I can read that. But I'm hooked up to this one, not the B, that one, and that one for my deflections. I stayed away from that one because it was 11 ohms, and I thought it might fire up my flyback. So. And these ones just have everything on the one hoop. All the coils, it don't have that second one for the high voltage, so. But my boost is awfully high. So I don't know what's going on. I got another flyback coming in off from eBay, so I'll see what happens there. And I should change the ohms on that heater limiting. I got a 3.3 ohms and it's supposed to be 2.7. And I cannot see any filament in the dark. No glow, no green glow or whatever is supposed to be in there. Nothing like that. But I never watched this when I shut it off, so I didn't know what was happening. So I'll shut it off again. Back on. I think that's a clue, but I don't know what the clue is. I think it's lack of voltage here. So maybe if I increase that 3 point, or decrease that resistor, that's probably not enough voltage. I should quit doing that so I don't wreck something. Shutting off again. Okay, it's July 26, 2020. About 4 o'clock.